Ālia began with a simple question. Can we create a luxury residential high-rise that's also sustainable? With an estimated 40% of the world's carbon emissions stemming from the construction and operation of buildings, we knew there had to be a better way forward. To bring this dream to life, our team of visionary architects, designers, and environmental experts carefully considered every element of Ālia to create a luxury tower that works with the environment. Given the building's unique location in the urban center of Oahu's South Shore, we positioned the development to maximize what nature was already offering. First, we pivoted the tower 65 degrees off true north to align the building with the flow of Oahu's Maukau to Makai trade winds. This pivot increases the surface area of the building that receives the trade winds, allowing them to passively cool residences. Any other orientation simply wouldn't fully utilize this natural resource. To further harness the trades, we added an innovative weave design to the building's facade. Buildings with flat facades miss the opportunity to take advantage of the benefits offered by prevailing breezes or shading from projected lanai. We expanded living rooms to bring in the view and shaped the window wall to receive local trades, allowing natural breezes to gently fill the home and passively cool residences. Additionally, Ālia's angled positioning means solar exposure is primarily limited to two sides of the building. While mountain-facing homes remain naturally shaded from direct sunlight, ocean-facing residences required a creative approach to mitigate solar heat gain. By staggering the lanai, the weave creates shade for the units below. Between the weave overhang and tower alignment, we reduce solar heat gain by at least 30%, which means that residents will have much less need to run air conditioners. A major form of energy consumption, air conditioners are estimated to account for a staggering 7% of all the electricity in the United States, resulting in 118 million metric tons of CO2 released annually. By working with the prevailing trade winds and carefully charting the path of the sun across our site, we were able to design a residence that passively cools the building, reduces solar heat gain, and lessens the need for mechanical cooling. Our next challenge was finding a way to minimize the building's reliance on fresh water. To do so, we took a look at the building's gray water. Gray water is a term for the water coming from washing machines, showers, and bathroom sinks. By incorporating a specialized treatment system, we collect gray water from residences and process it through sophisticated filtration and UV decontamination systems that bring it to the state's highest grade of recycled water, a first for a residential tower in Hawaii. The reclaimed water is now ready to go into our centralized chilled water system. Energy efficient and environmentally friendly, the centralized chill water system pumps chilled water through a centralized cooling tower. From there, the water is sent to air conditioning units throughout the property. These forward-thinking measures allow us to save more than 8 million gallons of water annually. That's the equivalent of 12 Olympic-sized swimming pools worth of fresh water every year. By using less water, we're also able to reduce our impact on local infrastructure and water demand, preserving an important resource for the island. Ālia also features Carbon Cure Concrete, which is injected with a specialized mix of captured carbon. This strengthens the concrete and removes an average of 25 pounds of CO2 from the environment for every cubic meter used. Extensive photovoltaics that will produce an estimated 700,000 kilowatts per year. That's the same amount of energy used by 110 Hawaii homes annually. We've also included 5 Level 3 electric vehicle charging stations, which can deliver up to 350 kilowatts of power and fully charge a typical EV in just 15 minutes. Electric car and scooter share will also be located on-site, creating a carbon-reducing approach to short-distance trips. And last but not least, we've brought nearly 2 acres of open space to life, ensuring that nature can always be found in abundance at Ālia. By creating a holistic system that works with the natural environment at every level, we've redefined what's possible and have created a tower that is luxurious, sustainable, fiscally responsible, and will endure for generations to come.